Healthy person get diabetes?
See, first of all, there are two types of diabetes. Let's talk about the elder onset diabetes.
Okay.
Let's not get into the type 1 diabetes.
Okay.
Diabetes, yes, hereditary genetic predisposition obviously makes a lot of difference, number one. Number two, stress in today's times is one of the very commonest triggering factor that can push you towards diabetes. The third is lifestyle. Because there are three pillars I always tell, the diet, exercise and the mental health. So all these things put together increases the incidence of diabetes, but yet family predisposition.
What's your thought? This diabetes reversal is really exist?
See, diabetes reversal, in my opinion, is a misnomer. It
Okay.
is misquoted.
Okay.
Because to give it more feminine name, there is nothing like diabetes reversal. It is control of diabetes without medication.
Okay.
So disease remains. It is not like malaria, typhoid, dengue, we have cure it. No, there is no cure. But with the good lifestyle, the diet and other stress management I have said, you are controlling your diabetes without medication.
One word of wisdom if you want to share for diabetic patient, if you can share something.
See, first of all, I always tell my patient, start accepting things.
Wow.
If you have got high sugar, you have got one. You have got diabetes, you have one. If you have blood pressure, have one. So once you start anything with negativity, मुझे diabetes क्यों? Why I am the chosen one? There is no answer to that.
Oh, okay.
So once you accept the disease, you understand the disease, there will not be no problem. But if you are in the field of denial all the time, I don't want to take medication, डॉक्टर साहब कुछ और दो, ये करेला खा लूंगा, वो खा लूंगा, ध्यान रखूंगा, कल से तो मैं चलना ही शुरू करने वाला हूँ. Nothing happens overnight because it is your habit that is there with you since years together. So first of all, accept and understand your disease to remain free of complication.
Happy and healthy vacation. Emphasis on not having too much classes to kid. Engage them in group activity.
Now, please allow them to play. Allow these flowers to blossom. We want our child to be taught properly. We absolutely want our child to be educated. We want him or her to be excel in their career. But relax. पूरी जिंदगी उनको दौड़ना है. तो जब उनको breather मिलता है, give some time. So what happens is I have seen whatever projects has been given for Diwali, parents are finishing it. So
Yes.
end of the day, schools have been satisfied कि दिवाली होमवर्क दिया, हो गया, parents ने कर दिया. This is not the way it should do. Make the childhood have its own pleasures and I say privileges of not doing anything at all the time.